when you turn on your laptop or computer and you see, oh my god, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. It's known as blue screen. It's also known as inaccessible boot device error. Well, whatever it is, let's simply fix it. So at first, this kind of blue screen appears for a short while, but then this kind of black screen reloads and again blue screen shows, but again black screen. So basically it keeps on doing like this, but in end you will see this kind of window preparing automatic repair and then diagnosing your PC. So eventually you will see this kind of automatic repair window. So click on advanced options, click on it. Okay, perfect. Now here you can see different options. Click on troubleshoot. Okay, so now we need to click on advanced options. Click on it. Okay, now click on command prompt. Now log in as administrator account or any account with administrator rights. Write your password and click on continue. So you will see this kind of command prompt window. If Windows is installed in C drive, so write C:, hit enter key. Okay, now write cd space Windows/System32 and hit enter key. Okay, now write cd config, hit enter key, dir, hit enter key. So concept is these are the 5 folders. We have to make them 0. We have to copy folders from RegBack to this config folder. So write cd space RegBack, hit enter key, write dir. So here you can see 5 folders with 0 files. So we have to replace them. Okay, so write cd ... Okay, so now we have to rename all folders. For this we need to write ren default1, hit enter key, ren same1, hit enter key, ren security1, hit enter key, ren software1, hit enter key, ren system1, hit enter key. So these 5 folders have been renamed. Now we need to go back. So write cd RegBack, hit enter key. Okay, now we have to copy folder with 0 files. So write copy space * space C : /Windows/System32 /config. Okay, so 5 folders have been copied into config folder. So write cd ... dir, enter key. So here you can see same folders have been 0. So that was it. So now write exit and hit enter key. So you will see this kind of blue screen again. Now click on turn off your PC and then it reloads and problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix this kind of problem. If this video helped you, please like and comment, and thank you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.